Hey, this is Matt Lepage with board number 13. You can barely see it there. Here's my temperature sensor working fine. Oop, I'm having trouble with the camera, but you see that it's ticking up steadily. Holding the camera at a very weird angle, very confusing. There it is. And it's probably not going to go above 28 at a particularly fast rate, but you saw it count up, and that's what counts. So I'm going to go ahead and upload my Keypad scripts. Alright, so no character to start with, but then numpad pound symbol 0 star 7 8 9 6 5 4 1 2 3. Working as intended. Board number 13, Matthew Lepage.